Hi kids, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. I'm Phil Shinbine. You might remember me from such Cool Tool Tuesday videos as the glue boat, fetish finger, and Edelweiss. This week I'm going to talk to you about Armor Tools auto adjusting pliers. They come in 3 sizes. If I knew how to juggle, I'd be juggling right now. They come in 2, normal pliers, and then one needle nosy one, which is the one that I'm gonna stick in my back pocket and forget I put there, and I'm gonna sit in the car when I go home and go, oops. And then I'll have to send in my credit card information again, because I accidentally stole the tool that I reviewed again. What makes these brilliant is just the simple fact that you don't have to turn that knob that's on the back end of your normal clampy vices like this, without naming any brands. You don't have to turn that knob. You can, what did they say in their video? Ditch the knob, I like that. You can ditch the knob, and it's got a one hand open on it, and it opens pretty far so that you can adjust this little screw, which adjusts the amount of pressure that is applied to the business end of these pliers. Fantastic. And that does not change regardless of the width or thickness of the piece of timber or what have you that you're putting in these. What I'm actually talking about is you don't need to adjust anything when you are closing it up, right? Whether you're doing something relatively thin or something relatively thick, right? There's nothing to adjust. It's all in the nifty mechanics of the spring that's in the handle there. They're not generally considered woodworking tools per se. They're more commonly used for, nuts and bolts and hardware and that kind of thing. But one of the places that I use my needle nose pliers a lot is when I'm adjusting or sanding little tiny pieces of bits of things at my disc sander, right? I don't want to get my fingertips anywhere near that thing. That thing will eat a 2x4. It'll certainly make short work of my fingertips. I would much rather take off a little bit of this than a little bit of this. So I just clamp it down into the needles and good to go. But if you are a maker who specializes more in metalwork, then this is an absolute no-brainer. You know exactly what this is. You would just look at it and go, oh, perfect. That's like the one that I already have, but without the annoying knob that I need to adjust every single time. And if I get it slightly too far, I gotta back it out and blah, 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 blah. These are fantastic. And more often than not, if I don't have a wrench or a spanner on hand that is the right size for a bolt or a nut or whatever, this is just brilliant. Just grab it and clunk, clunk. No fuss, no muss. Just throw out all your spanners. This is great. In the words of Armor Tool, ditch the knob. There you have it. Armor Tools auto adjusting pliers. Brilliant, fantastic piece of kit. If you have some pliers that you don't like, buy these ones instead. For everything you need to know about these and everything else that you need to know to get woodworking, check out the links down below in the doobly-doo. If you like this video or it's your first time here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. I am Phil Shinbine, and I will see you when I see you. I don't know why I've been doing that a lot lately. Like just constantly, like at breakfast, like, hey, can I get another coffee?